Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective used to show possession or ownership. Don't confuse possessive adjective with possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives are put before a noun. Remember, apostrophe is not used. The possessive adjectives in singular are mine, your, his, her, its. And plural form are our, your, their. The possessive adjective your can use in singular and plural form. Try take note with example. This is my room. Look up the dog. Its tail is short. Miss Taylor is our teacher. Look up the kitten. Their mother is feeding them. Exercise. Put the proper possessive adjective to the following sentences. Paul is my cousin, blank, mom, and blank, mom are sisters. The correct answer is Paul is my cousin, my mom, and his mom are sisters. These are blank balloons. Mom gave me this. The correct answer, these are my balloons. Mom gave me this. Sue and Claire are friends. Blank parents are friends too. The correct is Sue and Claire are friends. Their parents are friends too. I have a dog. Blank name is Pebbles. The correct is I have a dog. Its name is Pebbles. The last one, I like Lucy because of blank kindness. The correct is I like Lucy because of her kindness.